Hi, I'm Jake Wise, a Senior SEO Specialist at TopSpot. Today we will be reviewing CallRail's lead classification tool. Using machine learning, this tool instantly classifies your phone calls to distinguish whether a phone call is a qualified lead or not, saving you time by reducing the need to listen to or manually score each incoming phone call. From the home screen, scroll down to the list of phone calls under the chart. This shows you all the phone calls that have been tracked for your account and website or paid search ad during the time period selected. Each of the headers is a way to sort the calls. By clicking Edit Columns, you can choose to pull in qualified phone call information into your call log, which will allow you to quickly scan through your call log to view and classify calls marked as quality leads. CallRail's proprietary voice intelligence technology improves over time to learn your business. So there may be instances where you need to update the lead classification tool yourself. Now I'll show you how to manually classify whether a phone call is a quality lead. If you press the play button, you will be able to listen to the recorded phone call. When you click on the play button, you will see a pop-up menu that will give you the option for classifying your calls. You can easily do this by hitting the thumbs up or thumbs down icon. When in this view, you can also listen to the call, tag the call, assign a value to the call, or write a note about the call. This information automatically saves and connects to the recorded call. Once you've classified your leads, you can view them in the Reports tab. From this page, you will be able to view where your qualified leads are coming from. This is how you view and classify quality leads in CallRail. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or would like a personalized demo, please fill out the demo request form on the site. A TopSpotter will be happy to walk through the platform and answer any questions you may have.